Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Corey. I am so excited today because my new Deluxe air fryer just came in, and the very first recipe that I've been so excited to try, we're making tonight for dinner. So it's going to be the coconut shrimp in the Deluxe air fryer. Now we've got 1 pound and 8 ounces of shrimp here that has been peeled and patted dry. And I'm just gonna add a little bit with my adjustable measuring spoon. Alexa, stop. We're gonna add just a little bit of a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt to the shrimp, and just toss it up in there. And I'm using my 2-quart batter bowl here. I'm just gonna toss that salt and pepper around. And then I've got a little tray with some flour. I'm gonna dredge in flour. I'm gonna dip in 2 eggs whipped together with 1 tablespoon of milk. And then over here, we have a beautiful mixture of coconut and panko breadcrumbs with lime zest. Now, before I set that somewhere, I'm going to go ahead and show you my kitchen spritzer. No aerosol needed, we just pump it up, and we're just gonna spritz a little bit of oil on our trays here so that the shrimp won't stick. You can put any kind of oil in this. I've got canola oil in it. Spritz that off. You save money from the cans that you would normally buy, and it's much healthier for you and for the environment. So we're gonna set these shrimp on here and just dredge them, each one, a little bit of egg and a little bit of coconut. Okay, we've got all of our shrimp ready to go. So we are gonna take them and put them over into our Deluxe air fryer. 1 on the bottom rack and 1 in the middle rack. Then we're gonna press the middle rack right there. All right, we're gonna close this up, and we're going to turn our dial to bake right here, and then press to select. We're gonna choose 8 minutes and press to start. And you see that the internal fan has started. It's ready to go, and it is air frying in there. Now it's gonna beep halfway through, and that will be the indication for me to switch the pans from top to bottom. And then in 8 minutes, our coconut shrimp is coming out. So let's whip up the sauce that we're going to dip them in. All right, for our apricot sauce that we're gonna be dipping this in, I'm gonna take a little bit of apricot preserves, and I'm using the Measure All cup. I love using this for sticky ingredients like mayonnaise or jelly or peanut butter for peanut butter cookies. You just put your ingredients in at the measurement there, and then we're going to just slide it right out. No scraping it, trying to get the last little remnants. So we're just gonna turn it over and push that right out. And we have the full 1/2 cup there. We want 1.5 tablespoons of lime juice. Oops. Now, I want to point out, I just got my beautiful knife set from the Pampered Chef, earned that as one of my rewards. And these knives, these forged cutlery, are absolutely second to none. In fact, my husband and I had bought a far more expensive brand a couple years ago, and we love them, and we find that these are comparable or even nicer feel than those brand of knives. So check out the knives if you need them. We're gonna use the citrus press here. I have been using this a few times a week to get fresh citrus going, and 1.5 tablespoons. So I'm just gonna put a teaspoon here. Let's see, so that'll be 1, 2, 3 teaspoons. And let's grab the other half. Put it in there. And do another couple teaspoons of lime to add to that apricot preserves. And then, just for a little kick, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes go in there, just to mix in, not very much. Whoops, there came the top of my adjustable measuring spoon. It wasn't stuck in there. All right, so we're gonna mix that up, and that's gonna be ready for our individual dipping sauces when our shrimp is ready. Now, it just beeped for the 4-minute mark, so let's grab these here, and let's just flop the bottom to the middle, and the middle to the bottom. They are looking fantastic. A few more minutes left. Okay, that sauce went in the microwave for 1 minute, and we're just gonna stir it up and let it cool a little bit. That just combines the flavors a little bit, heating it up. And then in the meantime, our air fryer has beeped, and our shrimp is ready. Check that out. Does that look delicious or what? All right, so one quick notice. The air fryer is available for hosts in the month of May at a half-off special. And because of the high demand, the air fryer is on a rolling stop sell for all other customers. So that means that right now, the only way to get the air fryer is to host a party. And I would love to do that with you and help you earn not only this wonderful tool, but also many others for free. So let's talk soon. You all have a great night and happy eating.